This could give you an opportunity to add some style to your outfit. New Balance are great choices concealing skin blemishes with cosmetics that seems natural. Goddess Hair, Perm Style Hair, accessories provide tons of options and versatility. Or try out a new look in front of your friends. Hello everyone and welcome back to Glow Up. Today we will going to share tips on how to look good in school uniform. It can get pretty boring wearing the same uniform every day. However, just because your school dictates what you should wear doesn't mean you can't play with how you style it. Think about it between your shirt, shoes, pants, hair, and accessories. There are tons of ways you can change up your school day look and feel more confident. The tips that we're about to share are not just tips on how to look good in school uniform, but to also look more attractive in school. Are you excited? Here we go! Tip number 1. Throw something on over your shirt. Whether you have to wear a blouse or button-down shirt, your school's dress code policy may allow you to wear other clothing over top. This could give you an opportunity to add some style to your outfit. You could wear a fitted or oversized knit sweater over your shirt, put on a funky cardigan or vest, and wear a fitted blazer or jacket. Tip number 2. Wear some nice shoes. Shoes can be a great way to add a personal touch to a uniform without breaking any dress code rules. Shoes from brands like Nike, Converse, Adidas, Puma, Vans, and New Balance are great choices for school. Tip number 3. Have a cute bag. A cute, neutral, colored bag or handbag is a great accessory for you to add to your uniform. Tip number 5. Put on some makeup. If you want to be confident, if you want to be yourself, show your identity through wearing makeup. Everyone wants to feel attractive. By just concealing skin blemishes with cosmetics that seems natural, you might appear more gorgeous than usual. Start by applying a light foundation or tinted moisturizer all over to even out your skin tone. Don't choose heavy cakey foundations, since they'll wrinkle and crease throughout the day. Just stick with light coverage and a light dusting of powder. Instead of caking on heavy brow products like eyebrow pencils, use a powder instead. Start with this light brown color and fill in your eyebrows. The bottom line of the eyebrows should be straightened as much as possible. Then use a slightly darker color and simply deepen the middle brows. Use this brow mascara to style your brows. The natural eyebrows will appear as you slightly comb the hair. Then use a machete eyebrow pencil to add some hair to the eyebrows. So this is the effect of deepening your eyebrows. It looks very natural and Korean-like eyebrows. Now for the contouring, instead of focusing on shadowing underneath your cheekbones, the goal is to contour around the periphery of your face. Beginning at the brow bone all the way to the tip, lightly draw 2 lines down the sides of your nose. Pick a light pink blush and apply it to the apples of your cheeks. Then apply eyeshadow in a neutral or natural shade. Use this slightly darker brown, and deepen the position at the root of the eyelashes in the double eyelid fold. The end of the eye can be stretched a little. For the lower eyeshadow, focus on deepening the second half, then use the remaining powder to follow the shadow of the lying silkworm. If you choose to wear eyeliner, pick a dark brown color. Lastly, wear a cute lip gloss, lipstick or lip tint. Tip number 6. Style your hair nicely. Have you ever seen a girl with an amazing hairstyle and thought that you can never make one of those? Stop worrying. That girl didn't spend 3 hours in the hair salon before coming to school. If you want to learn how to achieve these Korean wave hair, goddess hair, perm style hair, we have a ton of videos for that on our channel, so go ahead and check that out. Tip number 7. Add a small hairpiece. School uniforms tend to make everyone look the same, but adding accessories can help you stand out from the pack and express your personality. Whether you want a subtle change or something more dramatic, accessories provide tons of options and versatility. Tip number 8. Paint your nails. Painting your fingernails for school is a great way to show your school spirit or try out a new look in front of your friends. If you're not sure what color to use, decide whether you want a striking appearance that draws attention from everyone or whether you want a more toned-down translucent color of polish. Tip number 9. Focus on confidence and the right attitude. Walk in the hallway with your head up, shoulders back and your back straight. It shows you are confident, and hopefully you are. Confidence is attractive, but be sure to not be overconfident. This can come off as cocky and people generally will not like you for it. Be kind and remember to smile. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any video suggestions, leave a comment down below. See you on my next video.